guys, running Kimono here. So I have a question for you. Do you like popsicles that are 100% free? Because I think that's the best tasting kind of popsicle. Well, this is a free item with the Fetch Rewards app. Go onto your Discoveries page, bottom left-hand side, and see if you have it. It should be right at the top. I bought this for $4.99, didn't have a single coupon. Then I submitted it to the app, and I got back like $5 in points. So if you've been on the fence about signing up for this app, sign up today. Link in the notes. When you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens. You're going to be given $2, which is 2,000 points. And the great thing about this app is between now and Christmas, they often have a lot of really great and cool freebies. Free popsicles, you have my attention right there. So if you are interested, sign up, use my code, and if you are a user of the Fetch Rewards app, go to your Discoveries page, see what they might have for you, because I love this freebie. Apologies in advance about the late upload today. Well, we got, I think, like probably 3 or 4 feet of snow. I'll show you a weather report in a second. So I had to wait till the snowplow truck showed up so I could go to the store today because there was that much snow, and I think it took my husband just under 3 hours to clear the snow because it was snowing nonstop for like 2 or 3 days, and that's when it gets kind of, you know, scary. But for all of you that like the snow, soak it in, and hi to my mom, she's watching, and the little kitty cats outdoors, they've been coming sparingly because I think the snow is bad. They have a barn that they crash at 2 properties away. So they're not cold in the winter time, but we have a little thing if they show up again. And yeah. I went to Walgreens this afternoon, and then I also went to Meijer. And Meijer has a freebie, believe it or not. So we're gonna talk about that in a bit. So if you're from the Midwest, hang out till the end. So I did a deal where I got a basket of $40 of stuff. Now, the rumor on the street is that there is a 10 off of 30 curbside coupon, which I didn't use last week because we got such a bad snowfall that I wasn't going to drive to Walgreens to pick up my order because the weather was so awful since I think Friday evening. So I just passed on it. But what I did do was, a lot of people were telling me in the comments like, hey, if you go to the store and get a $30 basket, 20 will come off. And so I picked up a $40 basket, and I got the cashier to scan this little flyer booster, and I would either get back $10 in cash, or I would get $10 off my order. Well, guess what? That 10 off of 30 worked perfectly for me. So I still got $5 of Walgreens cash for this booster, and 10 off of 30 curbside that came off. So this is a $40 basket. I'm gonna run through what I got. I picked up 3 Coca-Colas. They are 3 for $9.99. On the receipt, I will show you guys, it does look like a little bit more because in Michigan we have a bottle deposit of 10 cents per can, so I had to pay an extra $3.60, I believe. I got the free can of Red Bull. This guy is $2.29. And then we have a free item, like $2.29 off of one of these cans, making it completely for free. This morning, a 6 off of 3 digital coupon showed up for the Crest. So these guys are $3.99 a pop. So for 3 of them, that's $11.97. Subtracting that 6 off of 3, and then we get this back, which is really great. Mr. Gillette. Now I know in my preview video I was like, grab the one that's $9.99 with the $7 coupon and it's free and magic. I could not get that digital to apply to any $9.99 razor in my store. It was super picked over. Like, I think a lot of people are buying this for Christmas, but this guy was $12.99. It got my basket to $40, so I'm not really complaining. And I used the $7 digital for that, and then I got this back, so it worked beautifully for me. And then the last little item is this Ferrero Rocher Golden Gallery. It's $4.99. Shopkick has 800 points back, and you can also get $1 back from Checkout 51. So, like, it's really inexpensive after that. Also grabbed one of these Red Bulls for $2.29, and then this wonderful coupon, which is the manufacturer, is in fact attaching. So for this basket of all these items, what I did was I got the cashier to scan the 3 Cokes first and the chocolate. Why did I do that? Because I had $2.50 register rewards from the Godiva deal that I've been doing the last couple of weeks, and I wanted to use all of those register rewards. Now I also had 3 digitals. That's a 6 off of 3, a $2.29, and a $7. I wanted to still use those, but I wanted to use my register rewards. So the 4 filler items that are the chocolate and the 3 Cokes would attach to the register rewards. I got the cashier to scan the 4 items first, so my register rewards would attach to these products. And then I also had the digitals. Now I will let you guys know, for whatever reason in store on Sunday, there are always digital coupons that don't attach. My 6 off of 3 didn't attach for the crest, and the 7 one didn't attach for this. So customer service credited me $13 in points, but this one of course came off. Go figure that one out. So I did pay a little bit more on the receipt, but they made it all right, so it worked out in the end. Okay, so the basket right here is $42.23. I got the cashier to scan this booster, and then I presented 4 $2.50 register rewards for the Godiva register rewards I had. So as this and the 3 Cokes, it attached to those 4 items. And that's how the line limit, how things attach at checkout. Plus my 10 off of 30 curbside came off. And this digital coupon, $2.29, came off for the Red Bull. Let's pretend this $7 came off and then this $6 came off. I would pay $6.94 out of pocket, not including my tax or the bottle deposit. I did get back $5 of Walgreens cash for this basket because I reached $25. And then I got back $9 in register rewards. I got back this $4 coupon for the Gillette, and then this $5 one for the Crest. And for Shopkick, I'm gonna get back 800 points for this, plus another $1 on checkout 51. So after everything is said and done, guys, this is an $11.26 moneymaker. That 10 off of 30 curbside is expiring today. So today is Sunday the 13th. You either do a deal or don't do a deal. In store, you can buy $30 in merchandise and that $10 is coming off. Or you can do it on online and have it curbside pickups, or you drive to the store, call a number, park in a certain location, and then you're paying $20 for $30 in merchandise. But this worked out really beautifully for me, and an $11.26 moneymaker, well, it doesn't get any better than that, so I'm really happy. And basically what I did, because these digital coupons did not come off, and usually on Sundays, for whatever reason, there's always some problem with this. I just called customer service. A very nice lady just put the $13 on my store card, so that was the end of this one. One deal I did not do at Walgreens that I kind of wish I had, but I forgot, was the Domino's gift card, and I will do it later in the week. Buy 2 Domino's gift card, $15 a pop, which is 30 bucks. So 2 gift cards, $15 each. And then get one $10 Walgreens gift card, and then you would pay $30 for the 3 gift cards. So I will have to try that one later this week, but absolutely delighted with my haul today. I will let you guys also know that the Godiva deal is still taking place this week. So you buy 2 of these for $7, get the cashier to scan this, which is a 2 off a 2 found in the Big Book of Savings. $2 will come off automatically. So your new subtotal is 5. These are from a recent November insert presenting 2 of these and $2.50 come off. You will pay $2.50 out of pocket, or you can use your Walgreens cash and then get back a $2.50 register reward. I've done this deal a good many times and I think I'm going to tap out. To make this a little fun for you guys, what I'm going to do is have a little giveaway. One lucky recipient will get 4 of these coupons, so you could do this deal twice and get some free chocolate for Christmas. How to participate in the comments, let me know where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person. You must be a subscriber to this channel, and I will pick the winner on Tuesday morning, which is the 4th. So good luck, guys. Okay, so before we talk about Meijer, I want to talk really quickly about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. I have been with them for 2 years, and I know a lot of you always want to see what we're eating. So these are some meals that we got in the last week that include this really delicious burger, my favorite little bit of pasta, and some sausage. It was really, really good. It was like an Italian chicken sausage. And then these tacos, this is what we're having tonight. So if you guys are interested in trying HelloFresh, I have a link in the notes and you will get $40 off your first box, making it $20 with UPS shipping included. So you get to try 3 amazing meals for 20 bucks. And if you just want to try it the one time, immediately after you order your first box, you can either, you know, deactivate your account or put it on pause. You have that option. They're very flexible. And for 20 bucks, you're getting like all this food, which is really cool. And it's delivered right to your house, and it is so, so good. And you know what I love about this the most, guys, is that if I want to go and spend a couple hours working on some coupon deals, I don't have to worry about going to the store and looking for, you know, a kiwi or some cilantro, because I want to get in and out of these stores really quickly. And if I want to spend more time, you know, doing Christmas stuff or working on a coupon deal, I don't even have to worry about dinner. So that's why it's really fantastic. So if you are interested, check out the link in the notes and save $40 on your first box. Okay, so the last store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is specifically in the Midwest. Google your location and if you might have a Meijer grocery store. So the first item I got was a freebie with the Fetch Rewards app, which is these popsicles. They are $4.99, and Fetch has a free item back. So basically how this works is I went, picked this up for $4.99, I paid for it, and then they gave me back $4.99 in points. You can do it up to 3 times. I just got one because I want to try this out and see if I like it or not. But how amazing is that? Like a box of popsicles completely for free. I mean, it's a really terrific app. If you have not signed up, you should probably sign up today, because it's just like, to get free food, especially little treats like this, it's great. And then the last thing I wanted to mention to you guys is the Santa Bucks are back this week over at Meijer. So this product, you have to buy something that's $14.99 or higher, and then you get like $3 off, and then different increments, you'll save a different amount of money. You can either do it through the flyer or a digital coupon. You can't stack them, unfortunately. But I saw this and I thought maybe my cats might enjoy it. It's this little, you know, a scratch pad for them. It was $16.99. And I got it down to $13.99, so I thought they would really enjoy that, and like, how super cute is that? So, you know, it's just a way to get a couple Christmas gifts on the cheap. You might want to check it out at Meijer. Those Santa Bucks are really cool. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.